Tell us more about the bioabsorbable polyurethanes. How are they different than other absorbable polyurethanes that are
It's
currently on
very,
the market?
it's a very interesting question. Um, as I said, this is the very unique um, polymer system based on biostable polyurethane and a biodegradable polymer. So, as I mentioned, you inserting the glycolic acid and lactic acid make it from a biostable polymer to biodegradable polymer. So polyurethanes are made with MDI, where you have a methylene group in the middle, two aromatic isocyanates both ends. So what we have discovered is that if we can incorporate hydrolyzable link between the two aromatic rings of MDI, thereby you can control the rate of hydrolysis and also completely hydrolyzable polymers. Biostable polyurethanes are controlled by the hard segment of MDI. What we are doing is we insert the hydrolyzable link between the two aromatic rings and control the rate of hydrolysis. And upon the hydrolysis, there will be no toxic metals come out of it. That's how we have discovered it, and we have approved to the FDA, so we're able to get 510K approvals for our polyurethane.